Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Windy app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. Then you come here to particles here, animation here. Then you just click in this sign here. So like you see here, this color show for us as main particles animation. It's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable this sign and know how you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.